How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to make a hickey go away in seconds. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So I've used this trick many of times and it always works. The reason why the coin trick works, and that's what I'm about to show you, is the coin trick. It's because the coin creates friction on the surface of the skin and it causes blood flow to happen. A hickey is just a bruise on the skin, and in order to get rid of a bruise, all you need to do is rub it, which will create friction, which will cause blood flow to happen in the hickey, and it will remove it. I recommend rubbing the hickey for 2 minutes straight, and you want to do this 2 to 3 times a day. Chances are after the first time you do it for the first 20 minutes, the hickey will be completely gone in around 15 to 20 minutes. Now, I have made a video about this before. I keep getting a lot of questions on a hickey, so I am making another video on this. Some questions people always ask me, always. So again, I'll show you what I'll do. So I don't have a hickey right now, but let's just say I have a hickey right here, or it doesn't matter where it's at. Let's say it's right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna rub it like so. Then I'm gonna rub it for 2 minutes straight, and you're gonna just press normally. So keep rubbing, rubbing. Now, if you guys notice, it's getting pretty red. It's getting very red. If you see right here, if I keep going, it gets red. Now, if you do this for the full 2 minutes, wherever you're rubbing, it's going to get red. Now, it doesn't matter where it's at. It could be on the neck, the cheek, it could be on the arm, it could be on the chest. It doesn't matter where the hickey's at. This will get rid of it. But here's the thing. That first 2 minutes, when you stop doing it with the coin, it's going to look bad. It's going to look super red. The area around it's going to look red. It's going to look bad. Now, people comment as they're done doing this, and they'll be like, whoa, you made it worse. You made it worse. You have to wait. You have to give it about 15 or 20 minutes. And when that red's completely gone, the hickey will also be gone with it. It'll be completely gone, you guys. I have used this trick before when I've had hickeys. My other video has like 500,000 views on it. Ton of people comment on that video every day saying, thank you so much. It works. It works. So if you guys don't take my opinion on it, take everyone else's opinion on it, and it works. Trust me, it just plain out works. So if you're having issues with hickey, you need it to be gone instantly within the next 15-20 minutes. Do this. If it doesn't work after 2 minutes, do it for 4 minutes. Do it for longer. And again, all you were doing is we're creating blood flow. It's simple. A bruise is caused. You need blood flow to get rid of that bruise. Now, if you have a bruise anywhere else, you can try the same trick. Rub it, and again, the bruise will be gone because that's how it works. It's as simple as that. It does work. So end of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.